How to get rid of chicken snakes. Chicken snakes are also known as pine, corn and rat snakes. They eat eggs, rats and small birds and can commonly be found in wooded areas and farms, where there is plenty of food for them. Most chicken snakes are rather small in length, but a few can grow as long as 6 feet. Chicken snakes will bite if they feel threatened, but they are not venomous. Things you will need: trash can or storage container, broomstick. Remove any food source for the chicken snakes. If you have a chicken coop where there are plenty of eggs, make sure to close up any openings that the snakes can crawl into. If you have a rat infestation, you may want the snakes to help get rid of the rats first. Then they may leave on their own, once the rats are gone. You can also have an exterminator come out and get rid of the rats to remove them quicker, getting rid of the snake's food source. Trim trees and bushes and keep the grass cut. Keeping your landscape trimmed and eliminating any hiding places for chicken snakes to burrow under will help encourage them to move on. Remove any types of other burrowing areas such as wood piles or leaf piles. Keep area around the home as clean as possible. Trap the chicken snake. If you find a chicken snake on your property and want to immediately get rid of it, then trap it. You can use a large container such as a trash can or storage box. Tip the container over to the side and coax the chicken snake into the container, using a broom or long stick. Once the snake is inside, tip the container upright and place the lid on it. You can call animal control to take care of it or release it in a wooded area. Do not leave the snake in the container too long without air. Tips: warnings. If you are not sure if the snake is a chicken snake, then call a wildlife professional or animal control to help get rid of the snake.